Hello everyone, let's start the videos. For this one, make a ponytail and then braid your hairs into sections as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs and put it inside out from both the sides or the single side as it will look like this. Now tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take the front section aside. Now divide your ponytail into two sections and then make a bun out of it and attach it nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and then wrap it around nicely and then attach it nicely with the help of the hair clip as shown in the video and make a bow out of it and then pull it inside out the remaining hairs and then it's all done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and pull it inside out from both the sides. Now take the remaining hairs and make the braids out of it as shown in the video and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and pull it out and make a bun out of it. It's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair and then tie it nicely. Now pull it inside out from the side as shown in the video and tie it very nicely. Now again take the remaining hairs and take a section out of it. Now divide it into two sections and then pull it inside out from both the sides as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs and take the small strings out of it and then pull it inside out as it will start looking like this and it's all done. For this one, take the section of your hair and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then pull it inside out. It will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs, comb it very nicely and properly and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and divide it into two sections. Now make a bun out of it, attach it, it's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and divide your ponytail into two sections and then pull it inside out from both the sides and wrap it around as shown in the video. Now braid the remaining hairs by taking the smaller sections from the remaining hairs and attach it and it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one, take the hairs and divide your hairs into two sections. Now take the smaller section from the front and then wrap it around as shown in the video. Now take the smaller section and it will start looking like this and keep doing it very nicely and slowly and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. It's done. For this one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. It will look like this. Now divide your hairs into two sections and braid it nicely and then wrap it around. It will look like this and it's all done. Thanks for watching.